Yo, we are the Pink Couple, and we are back at the Great Wolf Lodge here in Garden Grove, California.
Hey.
Fun place, water park and arcade. Yes, an arcade is totally free to go into, so if you're ever wondering about that, we get comments every now and then. It's free to go in. Definitely not free to play though. Regardless, a lot of fun games here, a lot of cool ticket games to play. So, of course, you know us. We gotta come in here and win lots of jackpots.
Yeah.
So, come join us.
Let's go.
Catch the ball. It's real simple, guys. All you gotta do is catch the ball. Yeah, there's a little joystick right here, and you just move this back and forth, and hopefully you can catch the balls as they come down.
Yes.
Brittany, first time playing. Will you do it?
I'm gonna do it.
I think you can do it.
Can I also point out the cute kitty mascot?
Oh boy, they're coming down fast. Oh boy. There's one.
Oh, I can't go fast enough.
There's one. Get that one. There you go. You need a lot of balls. There you go. Nice. Very nice, Brittany. Yeah, I don't know if it moves fast enough to get any, if they're like off on the sides.
I missed all of those ones.
There you go.
Oh, I got 12.
You got 12. Nice. But,
so
that
I got
got
30.
you 30 tickets. You need
16 or more.
That's tough.
I got it.
I think you can get it. You have to get 2 every time at the very least.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, you get a bonus one. What? Oh, come on. There you go. That one on the left side. There you go. Nice. Oh, I was hoping you'd get 3 on that one. Get these guys. Come on. Yes. Oh, you missed that one. Come on. Yes. 2 more. 2 more.
Yes!
Oh no!
What?
You
It
got
didn't
15.
count the last one. Maybe, you know what? It's because that first one shouldn't have counted.
That's true.
Because I swiped it and it did a little like demo thing. I wonder if that's why.
Maybe, huh? One more time?
One more time.
I think you can
was
get
so
it.
close. Yeah, see, there's a little demo.
So wait for that demo to be done.
All
Okay.
right.
Go, Brittany, go. Come on. There you go.
Oh, man.
You almost got 3. Oh no, Brittany! Get those 2. There you go, nice. Catch those balls. Coming down. Oh, there you go. Come on. Yes.
Oh no, that one rolled over it.
Oh man, it was all over. You really gotta guess we're like, oh no. What happened?
I should have at least got one more, but it rolled all over top of everything.
One of our favorites, Monster Candy.
Yeah.
We remember when this was new, just a prototype, but now it's here for life. Let's get that big 500. Oh, so close. Wow, that was really close.
Yeah.
Huh.
You can do it.
I feel like I can get it. Okay, where did I pull it to? Too strong. Oh, that was even stronger than last time.
Yeah, it was.
Jeez.
Less than that.
Wow, way less than that. All right. Oh, close. Yeah, there it is. Third time's the charm. 500 tickets. 3 plays.
Good job.
Thanks. I'm glad I made that last second adjustment at the very end.
Yeah.
Whew. Claw machine time here at the Great Wolf Lodge. Let's see if we can get us a ball. Which one looks good. Kind of like this one right here.
Yeah, like green one.
Yeah, looks good. Right above it. Oh, yes. Easy grab.
Nice.
Easy win. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, what? What?
What? What?
I got a pair.
What
I got the
the
2 in
heck?
1. Like someone won one and they just left it in there?
Did somebody just leave it?
Well, I got a pair of cool tie-dye bows.
Nice.
In one.
Yeah.
Neat. Ooh, cute little claw machine.
Yay.
Lots of little stuff. See, maybe can you get a 2-in-1?
I want to grab right here. I want the giraffe. Maybe I can get the spider.
Oh, no.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh, no. It's okay.
It's all right.
Play till you win. You have to get both of them, Brittany.
Oh,
You
no.
have to. If you don't, put the prize back in till you win both. Oh, no. Just keep going.
I'm going to keep going. They're going to tangle up eventually, right?
Yeah.
That's how it works. Oh, no. It
Oh,
stabbed
no.
him. Oh!
Yes, yes. The 3-in-1.
Wait.
It's a 4-in-1. Someone left their stuff there. Amazing.
Oh, my God.
What a great little machine.
I
So
love this machine.
what did you get?
It's like a top inside of a top
Cute.
in 2 different colors.
Oh, very nice. Stylish. His and her tops.
Whoop. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And
A really, really creepy spider.
that is pretty creepy, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
It's a little-
he's really gross
A little
looking.
off-putting, yeah.
And
It's
a mini giraffe.
So cute and out of focus. There it is.
Ta-da!
Oh, that is cute. Nice work, Brittany. Wow, I love playing till you win.
Yeah.
And you definitely won. You almost won too much right
I
there.
know.
It's a very tiny machine. I didn't know how it's all gonna fit in that little shoe. The Tower of Chickens.
Yeah.
It's new and improved now. The
Yeah.
newer style one with the funny barrels.
There's 1,000 right there.
Yeah, just win it.
Just win it. It's that easy.
Actually, it's not.
Aw.
I did it too early. Yes. Oh. What was that?
A hair too late.
Ay, ay, ay. Yes,
Oh,
there
yeah,
it
so
is.
easy.
You gotta play stuff 3 times, guys. Not actually arcade hacks, but a little practice goes a long way.
Yeah.
1,000 tickets also goes a real long way here at the Great Wolf Launch.
Good job.
It's Ticketman,
It's
the
Ticketman.
coin catcher. We tried this out at the Northwest Amusement Showcase.
Yeah.
And it's pretty awesome. And now we can win tickets.
Yeah.
So you just gotta pick something up with Ticketman.
We're gonna
tricky,
go
though.
right here.
Spins. Ooh, I see a big group of like hundreds and 200s.
Oh, I think it stopped a little soon.
Oh, it
There's a
stopped?
200 right there. Grab
Okay,
it.
there's a lot of other
Yes!
stuff. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, I see a 200, a 20, 10.
Come on.
Okay, come on,
But
Ticketman.
will it drop in there?
Gotta drop into the spinning hole.
Oh. Oh, no! I think it bounced out.
Yeah, I see it right here. Oh, man. What'd you get?
I got 20.
Oh, the 20. It's still pretty good, though.
Yeah.
Want to give it another shot?
Yeah, try it again.
Gotta
Come
get-
on, this side.
Get a big 200, Brittany. There's a couple 200s there
Yeah.
where it ended up flinging off. Oh, that looks good. That looks real good. Come on.
No!
Oh, no. It was a little off to the side. You got a bunch of other stuff.
Oh, I'll take some of those.
Now, if you get like a lot of them to drop through that hole, that would be really nice.
Yeah.
Look at that big group. Okay. Good luck. Oh,
I
jeez.
can actually grab a 200,
Oh.
but I didn't get it to drop in the hole.
Oh, you didn't get any of them?
No.
Oh, no.
Oh, wait. It's play till you win.
Okay, you gotta
Oh,
get.
cool. Okay.
You gotta get something. Thank you, Ticketman. You're very
Yeah.
generous.
Ticketman's great.
Oh, that looks real good. There's 200s right there.
Come on, 200.
Go on, 200.
Got it.
Big old powerful magnet. Oh, that one. It's stuck
Oh,
on
it's
there
stuck on
very
the side.
interestingly.
Hmm.
Okay. Ticketman, you might have too much power here.
Oh, I got something.
You got one. I think it was one, right? It got,
A 50.
a 50. That's really good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's still kind of tricky, huh?
Yes.
Getting them to like fall through the slot can be pretty tough.
Yeah. But I'm glad it's pay to win.
Yeah, that's very nice, right?
Pay till you win, not pay to win.
Fishbowl Frenzy time. It wouldn't be a Crane Couple ticket game video without Fishbowl Frenzy, right, Brittany?
Of course.
Good luck.
Thanks.
There's multiple on the right side and 600 in the bottom center jackpot.
Oh.
Good. Oh, wow,
Sorry,
that fell
that went
straight
way
in there.
I might pick on this side for the multi-lock.
Again?
Again.
We go again. Let's get a little more than 40, right?
I know, come on.
Come on. Ooh, please. Ooh.
No,
Whoa.
no.
What?
It likes that spot.
It really likes that
it needs to
particular
just
bowl.
kind of scoot over a little bit.
The one more. Not a 40, all right?
No.
Something big, Brittany. Something real big. Oh, the other 40! Well, I mean, 40 is a good amount of
I mean,
tickets.
40 is pretty good.
It's pretty good. It's not what you're aiming for, but it's what you're gonna get. That's what the machine says, and what the machine says
That's all
goes.
I'm getting. The machine just decided.
I'm in.
All right.
Let's go.
Can Julius get higher than 40? Stay tuned.
I get the feeling actually it's gonna be less than that. Oh,
You get
or
40.
exactly that. Really? We got the curse of the 40s, apparently. Okay, please not a 40.
Come on.
Anything but a 40 will be a jackpot at this point. Come on. Oh, no! Wow, I thought that was going in for sure. I get my delayed consolation tickets. Almost.
Stop the music. There it is.
It just assumed I missed
Brr.
terribly. I tried, okay?
I bet you get 10. That's pretty good.
It's not bad for a consolation. I should have gone into that
You
jackpot.
should have got that, though.
Should have got it.
Again? Okay.
Monster jackpot. Extreme.
Extreme.
Good luck, Brittany.
All right.
Not a whole lot of bonus balls to go for, so big jackpot
I'm
time.
going for the jackpot.
Ooh, I came out slow. Ooh, we went up on the platform so nice, though.
Oh, I got 60 at least.
60 is pretty good.
All right,
I
try
think
that again.
You should definitely try that again.
The music just stopped.
Oh, no. It doesn't like it.
It doesn't like it.
It's okay. I think you'll like what you'll get next. Ooh, so came out really
closer.
slow. Ooh, come on.
No.
Oh,
One more.
I jinxed it. We don't even want to see what happens there. 6 tickets! And then you guys understand why we hate the mystery value. It's so
I
bad.
hate it so much.
Oh,
that
really
one came
close.
out fast. Bounce in.
Oh, come on. 150.
150.
Yeah.
Yay, I'll take that.
All right. That's the one you were going to like. I do like that very much. Well done, Brittany.
Thanks.
Maybe we can get another tower ticket jackpot.
Let's go.
Let's see. Oh, it's super slow. I forgot. Oh.
Oh,
you got
hey.
a 150.
You got 150.
Well,
That works.
it's not 1,000, but I did get it. Then Brittany wants herself some monster candy. Good luck, Brittany.
I love me some candy.
Very well. Oh, a little too much. Very close though. Ooh, oh, still a little too much. So, you can definitely get it. There you go. Oh, it's close, yes? Yeah, it is. That's all you need. Just need that little adjustment 3 times, Brittany. What was it, 3 times to get that jackpot? Nice. 3rd time is the charm today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well done. Catch the ball again. Good luck, Brittany. Get the 16. Nice. Oh, this could be a good one. Nice. Oh, yeah, that's what you want.
I didn't count one of them.
Come on, come on.
I didn't count that
Oh,
one.
that's weird. Yeah, I didn't count. It didn't count one of the balls.
I didn't count one earlier either.
Oh, no. Still need 6 more. Oh, dear. Oh, man.
I still wouldn't have got it, but I should have had 15. It didn't count 2 of the balls.
That was weird. A couple of the balls didn't trigger.
Yeah, I didn't trigger on the little
That's very
sensor.
odd. I wonder if that's what happened on previous ones if we didn't notice it.
Oh.
It is still a prototype, though.
Yeah, it is a prototype.
Again. Yes.
Yeah, it only
Yeah, it
counted
didn't count the 3rd one.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, I didn't count that one either.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I
Counted both of those. You counted those ones. You just need all three of these. No! You got way over. You had so many that didn't count. You should have had that, Brittany. You're so good. Yeah, I feel like the sensor doesn't catch everything. You missed like three of them.
I feel like the sensor needs to go a little faster.
Yeah. Brittany, my goodness gracious. We ended up winning over 3,000 tickets.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good amount. We didn't even get to play as much as we thought we were gonna. We played a lot of games and we had a lot of fun, and we ended up having enough to get this Star Wars Millennium Falcon speaker. And we know you guys are hyped because the Rise of Skywalker's coming out pretty soon. So, hey, if you'd like to see this in an upcoming giveaway, comment and let us know, all right? It's pretty sweet. It lights up. We had a great time at the Great Wolf Lodge, and hopefully you had a great time watching us too. Thanks for watching, guys. We are the Crank Couple. Don't forget to like, and again, comment. Let us know what you think about today's video from the Great Wolf Lodge here in Garden Grove, California. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Lots of other great arcade games for you guys. And while you're at it, make sure you turn on that bell and make sure you turn on all notifications. That way you don't miss any of our uploads, all right? Also, follow us on Instagram at the Crank Couple. That way you can keep up with all of our fun photos from our adventures. And finally, a huge thanks to all of our patrons as well as channel members. Thanks for helping keep us full-time internet content creators. If you want to pledge your support to us, check us out at patreon.com/crankcouple, or you can hit that join button that you see down below, and you get access to cool emojis and badges to use during our fun live streams, which include giveaways for things like this, right? Oh yeah. Anyway, we'll see you next time.
Bye.